China's dominance in global manufacturing has been well established for more than a decade, but India wants to challenge that status. What would it take for India to become the factory of the world? Let us see now. In the world of manufacturing, China is the undisputed champion, but on its doorstep lies a huge country to be the next champion, that is India. Yes, companies like Samsung and Apple are growing their Indian suppliers. A small share of the latest iPhone is now produced in India, and this growth has been accelerated by China's heavy-handed lockdowns and growing geopolitical tension between the US and China. But assembling a few iPhones in India with imported parts is really different from building a vast and high-tech supply chain like in China right now. There are several reasons why India might or might not become the next big global manufacturing hub. In the near future, it's going to be difficult, but in the longer term, it's definitely possible. Let us see the positive aspects first. India is an English-speaking democracy that has traditionally been pretty friendly with the West, and also India has its population. The United Nations estimates India will officially be the most populous country in the world this year, and China's average age is 38 while India's is only 28, and that means more people to potentially work in factories. Also, India's government is subsidizing large companies to move their manufacturing to India. On the flip side, the average labor quality is probably not as good as China at this point, and the adult literacy rate in India is about 74% versus about 97% in China. One of the biggest reasons why Foxconn and a number of other tech companies are looking to set up outside China is because of US sanctions as well as sanctions from its allies. While most of these sanctions are focused on semiconductors and memory modules, tech manufacturing companies expect the effects of the sanctions to roll over to other companies as well. Foxconn also wants to treble the workforce at its iPhone making Indian unit over the next 2 years. In December, the business announced a $500 million investment in its Indian affiliate.